here?
Nandyan ba si Peter?
Sorry, he's not home. Did something happen? She was just looking for you. Just don't say anything that's gonna make her worry.
I'm sorry kung minamadali kita ha. I just want we have enough time to prepare.
Presenting my masterpiece.
Don't you like it?
Lola! Nandito na pala kayo.
Ako ba walang yakap?
Hey, Jay.
Ikaw pala yung mapapangasawa ng anak ko? Sure. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Saan ka nanggaling?
I missed you.
Ano nga palang ginagawa mo dito, Keeper?
I came to see JJ. He will be my best man. No, he will be my best man.
Ano pag-uusapan natin, David?
You fucking bastard! Don't fucking touch me. Don't come closer, Jay. Sabihin mo na kasi yung totoo.
Ano pa na yung sinasabi niyo?
You sure you want to hear it?